Hello everyone, my name is Chandan Singh and welcome to my channel. So guys, today I'll talk about want, W-A-N-T, want, and we have to do the conversation using want, okay? And this video is only for beginners. So guys, I have written here some questions which are based on want, so you should be able to have a conversation using want. Okay, so before we start the conversation, I must teach you about want. So let me tell you guys, if you are beginners, if you don't know, then let me teach you. See, if you talk about want means that's not your daily routine. It means you don't do something regularly, you want to do something. It means you have a desire to do something. If you say that I go to market, suppose you say I go to market, it means it's your routine. You are talking about your daily routine, or maybe you go to market once in a blue moon, or maybe you go to market Sunday, Monday. So here you can put the time, but it's about your routine. No matter whether you go on Sunday or Monday, but you go to market, that's the part of your life. Okay, but if you say instead I want to go to market, it means you're not talking about your daily routine. Okay, you're talking about your desire. You have a desire to do something, so desire to go to market. So every day I believe you must come across certain situations where you have to use this word want. Okay, so let me teach you. If you talk about want, you can use want like this: subject, use want. If it is I, we, you, they plural, you have to say want, like I want, you want, we want, they want. If it is third person singular, then you have to say wants. Okay, I want, she wants, I want, my father wants, I want, my mother wants, like that. You have to put s or s sound. Got it? So you use this, and after this you have two options. Either you use any noun, means whatever you want. If you want any object, suppose I want a mouse. If I want a mouse, so I'm saying I want a mouse. So after want, I can say, I can use the noun mouse. I want a mouse. So you can use a noun. But if you want to, show any kind of action, then you have to put like this. Let me teach you here. 2 plus v1 and plus whatever the object is. If I say that I want to purchase a mouse, so before mouse I have used a word that is purchase, so that is your v1. 2 plus v1 you have to use. It means you cannot say that I want purchase a mouse. You can't say like this. You have to put here 2. So whenever you say any action, before action you have to put here 2. I want to purchase a mouse. If you don't want to put any action like 2 plus v1, if you don't want to put, so I want a mouse. So you have two options. Either you talk about any object, or you talk about action plus object. Okay, if I say that I want some food, or I can say I want to eat some food. So it all depends what is in your head, what you want to exactly say. Got it? Fine guys. So if I say that my mother wants to go to park, it means it's not the daily routine. My mother has a desire to go to park, so she wants to go to park. Got it? So in your daily life you can talk about the desire of several people. Either you talk about your desire or talk about the desire of some other people. You have to use want for I, we, you, the plural, and wants for third person singular. Okay, now everybody knows about this. I know you know about it. But when it comes to saying that I have a desire that you should make tea for me, okay, then you can use the structure like this: I want you, then put 2 and then put v1. I want you to make tea. If I say that I want to make tea, if I want to make tea, it means that's my desire to make tea. I want to make tea. Okay, it means if somebody is going to make tea, the person would be me. Okay, I want to make tea, so I have a desire to make tea. But what I want, what my desire is, my desire is that I am not going to make tea. My desire is that now you are going to make tea. You should go to make tea. So I can use a structure. I can say that I want you to make tea. Okay, I have a desire that you should spend some time with me. So then I would say that I want you to sit with me. I want you to spend some time with me. I want you to go to park with me. I want him to come here. I want my father to talk to my mother politely. I want my wife to use my laptop. Means I want, that's my desire. But what my desire is not that I should do something. My desire is that some other people should do something. So you can use the sentence in such a way. Got it? Okay. You can also say that my mother wants. Now what does she want? My mother wants my father to go to village next month. What does it mean? Does my father want to go to village? No, that's not the desire of my father. Then whose desire is this? It's a desire of my mother. My mother wants. What does my mother want? My mother wants my father to go to village. It means my mother has a desire not that she is going to do something. The desire is that she wants my father to do something. So you can use this structure. Okay, so what the structure is, you can use subject, wait a minute, subject, you can use want or wants. After this you can see I want you, I want him, I want her, wait a minute, I want her, I want them, okay, you want me, like this. Then you have to use 2 plus v1 and then what the object is you can put. Got it? Okay. I want you to speak in English. Do you want to speak in English? Is it your desire? No, that's my desire. My desire, what my desire is that you should speak in English. So I can say that, hey, I want you to speak in English. You know, whenever you talk to me, I want you to speak in English only. This is. You can use negative, okay, also, like you can use don't for IVU the plural and doesn't for third person singular. Whenever you say doesn't, then you are not supposed to say wants, no s, only want. Okay, I don't want to smoke. Okay, she doesn't want to smoke. It means I don't have desire to smoke and she doesn't have desire to smoke. She doesn't want to smoke. So when I say she doesn't, so after this doesn't, I can't say wants. Okay, in negative you are not supposed to say s. She doesn't want. But if she wants, then you have to say yes. I mean s with the want plus s. She wants to go. But in negative, she doesn't want to go. Got it? She doesn't want me to cook food. She doesn't want me to cook food. It means she doesn't have any desire that I should cook food. Now if you talk about asking questions, okay, so whenever you talk about asking questions, you have to use do. Suppose do plus subject, IVU the plural, plus want, and after want you can use any object or you can use 2 plus v1 plus object. For an example, do you want something? That's a question. Hey, do you want something? Do you want a glass of water? Do you want some money? I'm asking you, do you want something? It means I want to know about your desire, whether you want something or not. Then I can ask a question using do, because I want to know either yes or no. So whenever I want to know either yes or no about your desire, the question must be started with do. And do for whom? I, we, you, they, plural. I am talking to you, means you are in front of me. So for me you are you, and for you I am you, and for me I am I, for you you are I. So I am asking a question that, hey, do you want to smoke? It means what? I want to know whether you want to smoke or not. It means I want to know yes or no from your mouth. So my question must start. It must be started with do. Do you want? Do you want? Do you want? Do I want? Do you want? Do we want? Do they want? Do all the plural? Do my friends? Do Ram and Sohan? Do my sisters? Do your brothers? Like this. Got it? If I talk about third person singular, then does plus subject plus want, no wants, plus either any object or mm, 2 plus v1 plus object. Like I can ask you that does she want something? Does she want something? It means I want to know about the desire of that girl. I am asking you a question, but I'm not asking a question about you. You are going to respond me, but we are talking about someone else, and that is third person. I am first person, you are second person, and the person about whom we are talking is third person. Got it? So I can ask a question that, hey, does she want to meet you? Does she want to meet you? I want to know the desire about that girl, whether she wants to meet you or not. So this is the way how to ask questions. Then you can put WH also, like why does she want to meet you? When does she want to meet you? Why does she want? There's so many questions. You can use WH words as well. Got it? Now if you talk about spoken English, you can also use wanna, like I wanna go, she wanna come. You're not supposed to say wannas, okay? She wanna come. Do you wanna go? Like this. Does she wanna go? Does she wanna go? Like this. So I believe you must have understood how to ask questions, how to reply using want. Okay? So do you want to go? Yes, I want to go. No, I don't want to go. Do you want me to cook food? No, I don't want you to cook food. Yes, I want you to cook food. Does she want to come here? Yeah, she wants to come here. No, she doesn't want to come here. Like this. Got it? So now we are going to start a conversation practice. Okay? So what you have to do is, please write some questions. Okay? Start the questions with do and does and use want and try to reply. This is your practice. You have to do that practice. Got it? So how to talk? First start a question with the help of do, then answer it yes, and after that put some WH questions. For an example, do you want to go somewhere today? Yeah, I want to go somewhere today. So I have replied to this question in yes. I have said positive. Yes, I want to go somewhere today. Now other questions can be asked related to the same question. Okay? So where do you want to go? So where do you want to go? Where is the WH word? I want to go to any shopping mall today. Why do you want to go to a shopping mall? See, I want to go to a shopping mall because it's been a long time. I haven't been to shopping mall due to this pandemic. So I want to go to shopping mall to buy something. Okay. So do you want to go alone? No, I don't want to go alone. I want to go along with some of my friends or my family members. Okay. So which shopping mall do you want to go? Oh, well, I want to go to XYZ shopping mall. Okay, so why do you want to go to XYZ shopping mall? I want to go there because that shopping mall is illustrious, very reputed, and a lot of crowd comes there. That's why. That's great. Do you want to buy something from that shopping mall? Yeah, I think I must buy something. So what do you want from that shopping mall? What do you want to buy from that shopping mall? See, I can't say what I want to buy from that shopping mall. If I go there, if I come across something, if I like, then definitely I'm gonna buy. But I can't reveal right now. Even I don't know what to buy, what not to buy. It all depends on the products. If I like, I will definitely buy. Okay, thank you. Nice talking to you. So I completed one question. Okay, now you can start with other questions also. It means you have to practice. No matter how much you talk, give at least 1 hour to yourself. Keep talking, keep talking. The more you talk, the more fluent you will be, guys. I'm telling you. Do you want to play any game? Yes, I want to play a game. So which game do you want to play? I want to play Ludo. Oh, you want to play Ludo? Yeah. Why do you want to play Ludo? See, I want to play Ludo because I love playing Ludo. I really like this game. Okay, thank you. Like this. Do you wanna eat something? Yeah, I wanna eat something. So what do you wanna eat? I wanna eat fried rice. Okay, that's great. So do you wanna make fried rice at your home or you wanna go outside? As a matter of fact, I wanna go outside. But if the fried rice is not available outside, then definitely I would love to make fried rice at my home. Okay. So, do you want your wife to make fried rice for you? No, no, I don't want anyone to make fried rice for me. I would like to I would like to try cooking. I would like to try making something for me. So I would like to make fried rice by myself. Okay, fine. What do you want to do in your life? I want to become an actor in my life. So why do you want to become an actor? I want to become an actor because I love acting. Okay. So do you want to go to Mumbai? No, I don't want to go to Mumbai. Then how can you say that you want to become an actor? I think in order to become an actor, it's not required to go to Mumbai only. I can make some acting videos I can upload on YouTube. It all depends on your viewership. Oh, yeah, you are absolutely right. Okay. Do you want to quit your job? Yes, I want to quit my job. Why do you want to quit your job? Um, as a matter of fact, I don't like my boss. Oh, nobody likes bosses. I do understand. However, I don't like my boss because he always scolds me, and he has a lot of issues with me. That's why. Okay, so do you want to face any interview in any other company? Yeah, definitely. First, let me quit this job. After that, I'll think whether I would like to go for any interview or I may start any business. Oh, that's really great. You want to start a business? I want to start a business, but I'm not sure whether I'm going to start or not. But I would think about it. Okay, thank you. Does your father want to go to village? Yes, my father wants to go to village. So when does your father want to go to village? Actually, he wants to go to village next month. Okay, so do you also want to go along with him? No, I don't want to go along with him. I will go after some time. Okay, that's great. Thank you. Does your friend want you to go to park with him daily? Yeah, my friend wants me to go to park with him daily. Okay, so why doesn't he go alone? See, he doesn't go alone because he needs someone with whom he can communicate. He wants to improve his English language. So he wants me to go with him so that while walking or while taking exercise, he can communicate with me only in English. Oh, really? That's great. Thank you. Do you want me to make tea? Yeah, of course I want you to make tea. So, but why do you want me to make tea? I want you to make tea because the way you make tea is great. I like the taste of the tea made by you. That's why I want you to make tea. Okay, I will make tea for you. Does she want me to give her a call? Yeah, she wants you to give her a call. But why does she want me to give her a call? I don't know. I didn't ask her, but maybe she wants to talk to you and she just wants you to give her a call. So you should try. Okay, I will try. Thank you. So, guys, did you see what I did? I just showed you little demo how to do practice at home. Okay, you can ask so many questions related to one question. My intention is to teach you the technique to practice, because if you are a beginner, I believe you don't have any partner, and if you don't have a partner, then how will you utilize this English language? Whatever you are learning, you have to practice. So in order to practice, I think you are the partner of yourself. Got it? So yeah, so this is all. Thank you very much, everyone. I hope you must have liked it. So see you in another episode. Till then, take care, keep practicing, and have fun. Thank you, guys.